What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Richard. And what's up? Sorry, I've been on YouTube in a while. Took a little break. But, today we're going to be reacting to Lazy Boy Furniture's 2 Blue Hair. And remember, if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to push that like button, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications when I ever do a new video. Without any further ado, let's get on to it. Here we go.
Guess what? My hair.
Here we go.
And guess what else? Tony still doesn't know that. My hair.
Sorry about the language, guys. If you hear any extreme language, I will remember to shut it off and go to the next part.
Wait. First I put my head, my shirt over my head, and he does the same thing. It's gonna be interesting. It's gonna do this. Go do this. I'll do more. There, this is perfect.
Sorry, I'm real tired. Got up.
Come here, I got something to show you. I got something to show you. What? I got something to show you. 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 You gotta come see it. You gotta go 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 see it. What? Are you ready?
Yeah?
What the fuck are you
Oh no! Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Oh God, man! I can't believe to describe this, but yeah. Alright, buddy. I think you need to calm down a little bit on your temper. Number one, that's what I think. Sorry.
I don't give a shit if you wanted blue. I said no. You don't fucking listen. I said no.
Gotta admit, I do love the red, white, and blue shirt. That's America.
What? My Xbox controller is not going to fucking solve this. Xbox controller is not going to fucking solve this. But you know what will? You know what will? You know what will? Fucking go!
That's what happened. Wow. I gotta tell you, if he was my brother, I gotta tell you, I would probably freaking be out of that house before anything else happens. I would be out. I would be out the door running.
Who the fuck's gonna hire you now? You can't hire yourself. You're not a self-contractor, stupid.
Oh no, 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 no.
always had a physical fitness goal, and I've always considered myself to be the least likely candidate for it. I had sharp pain radiating up my arm and my foot.
Sorry about that.